July 11, 2025 was the grand finale and field visit for the Gender Mainstreaming in Development Project and Programs Workshop, hosted by Program for Integrated Development and Adaptation to Climate Change in the Niger Basin, PIDACC/NB. Participants visited Bamburo Community, Niger State. The purpose was to guide participants in gathering relevant information during site visits and apply the knowledge and tools gained during the training. The members of the community were asked a variety of questions. These questions were aimed to uncover 1. Levels of inclusivity in stakeholder engagement and whether both genders were successfully represented in decision-making within the community. 2. Gender disparities in resource allocation and give the participants an opportunity to find solutions to address the gaps. 3. The level of empowerment and inclusion of women voices in decision-making. The interaction provided valuable insights into gender roles within that community and the local agricultural practices. The community members were cooperative and enthusiastic throughout the session, expressing appreciation for the visit and showing interest in more gender-inclusive development initiatives. Please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.